Actor Johnny Depp, one of the most popular stars of Hollywood, says he feels he is being boycotted by the film industry as his latest movie, Minamata, is yet to get a release in the United States. Help me, Johnny Depp speaks on being boycotted by Hollywood. Video. In a recent interview with the Sunday Times, the actor detailed his recent legal situation, life turmoil, and acting career. Depp, whose ex-wife Amber Heard has accused him of domestic violence, called his fall from Hollywood's good graces an absurdity of media mathematics. Some films touch people and this affects those in Minamata, and people who experience similar things, Depp said of the Andrew Levitas-directed movie, which features him as W. Eugene Smith, an American photojournalist who helped expose the devastating impact of mercury poisoning on coastal communities in Japan in the 1970s. And for anything for Hollywood's boycott of me, one man, one actor in an unpleasant and many situation over the last number of years, he added. The interview marks the Pirates of the Caribbean star's first media interaction after losing libel case against British tabloid The Sun, which referred to the actor as a wife-beater in an article about him and ex-wife Heard. Last year, the court ruled that the publication proved the content of its article to be substantially true, and the judge found that 12 of the 14 alleged incidents of domestic violence had occurred. Following the court's verdict, Depp, 58, exited his leading role in Warner Bros. Fantastic Beasts franchise, while MGM reportedly halted the US release of Minamata. We looked those people in the eyeballs and promised we would not be exploitative, that the film would be respectful. I believe that we've kept our end of the bargain, but those who came in later should also maintain theirs, Depp said about the delay in the film's release. He added that he is moving towards where I need to go to make all that, to bring things to light. The actor, however, is also finding some support in the global film industry as the San Sebastian Film Festival has stood by its decision to honor Depp with their top prize, the Donostia Award, a lifetime achievement honor that recognizes outstanding contributions to the film world. The Karlovy Vary International Film Festival in the Czech Republic also said it would celebrate Depp and recognize the pay tribute to the acclaimed actor's extensive career and lasting legacy on the film industry globally. Hollywood star Johnny Depp has said that he feels he is being boycotted by Hollywood, as his latest film Minamata is yet to get a US release, reports Variety.com. In his first published interview since losing a libel suit against the publisher of Britain's The Sun newspaper, the actor talked to the Sunday Times about his new movie Minamata. Depp called his fall from Hollywood's good graces an absurdity of media mathematics. Last year, Depp, whose former wife Amber Heard accused him of domestic violence, lost a libel case against British tabloid The Sun, which referred to the actor as a wife-beater in an article about him and Heard. The court ruled that the paper proved the content of its article to be substantially true, and the judge found that 12 of the 14 alleged incidents of domestic violence had occurred. MGM then reportedly switched the US release of Minamata from February 2021 to be announced (TBA), and the actor exited his leading role in Warner Bros. Fantastic Beasts franchise. Some films touch people and this affects those in Minamata, and people who experience similar things, and for anything, for Hollywood's boycott of me, one man, one actor in an unpleasant and messy situation, over the last number of years, Depp said. He added that he is moving towards where I need to go to make all that, to bring things to light. Heard and Depp married in 2015 after dating for several years. They split the following year in what became a months-long contentious breakup with allegations of bad behavior by both sides before their divorce was finally settled. For a man who claims to be a victim of Hollywood boycotting, Johnny Depp sure has been in the spotlight a lot these days. In a Sunday Times interview this week, Depp claimed outright he is being boycotted by Hollywood, specifically in light of his most recent film Minamata, not yet receiving a release date in the US. The supposed boycott follows Depp's 2016 divorce from actress Amber Heard, in which Heard accused him of domestic violence, calling him a monster and claiming he beat her, sliced his own finger to write messages to her in blood, and more. Heard provided photos and screenshots of text messages that seemed to corroborate her allegations. The couple eventually settled their case out of court, and Depp continues to deny Heard's claims. Depp has been permitted to move forward with a $50 million defamation lawsuit against Heard over her 2018 Washington Post op-ed, in which Heard describes surviving domestic violence without naming Depp. Heard asked for his lawsuit to be dismissed in 2019, citing a UK judgment that sided with a British tabloid that called Depp a wife-beater, in Depp's libel suit against the publication. But on Tuesday, a judge allowed Depp's lawsuit to move forward. Since 2016, Depp has faced consequences for the abuse allegations, including being dropped from his previous role in the Harry Potter film Fantastic Beasts and losing the aforementioned libel lawsuit in the UK. Still, it's hard to see him as the hapless victim of cancel culture he's now posturing as. Forbes estimated the actor's net worth stands close to $50 million, which is quite a hefty sum to retire on, even if he were indeed being boycotted. His suit against the women he allegedly assaulted and tormented, which could earn him as much as $50 million, has been given the green light this week. And then, of course, the star was just honored by 2 European film festivals this month. The Czech Karlovy Vary International Film Festival announced it would honor Depp, while the San Sebastian Festival in Spain presented him with its Donostia Award to honor the actor's outstanding contributions to the film world. Even if there is some in the American entertainment industry who may be understandably hesitant to work with a man who has been accused of horrific violence against an ex-partner for optics' sake, Depp's seemingly untouched reputation in the film world of Europe reminds us that there will always be second chances and other opportunities for men like him, no matter how much they may publicly render themselves the victims of their own narratives. Depp is hardly the first disgraced and allegedly abusive or otherwise problematic American artist to be embraced in Europe, joining the ranks of Roman Polanski, Woody Allen, and more recently, Kevin Spacey, notably all accused of child sexual abuse in this market. Are the Me Too movement and its boycotts really ruining these men's lives, as they and their defenders often claim? Or is feminist cultural backlash really just propelling them onto the next opportunity lined up for them elsewhere, in spaces that are less concerned with the treatment of women? There will always be excuses for powerful men like Depp who face allegations of violence and abuse. The director of the San Sebastian Film Festival that honored Depp defended their choice by noting that he had not been arrested, charged, nor convicted of any form of assault or violence against women. A stunningly ignorant statement to anyone even vaguely familiar with how the American criminal justice system has long dismissed or punished victims and often aided and protected abusers.